Hey Charmers, Arlene here. I'm super excited. I haven't been here in a while, or at least it feels like that. And today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to take a day look to night look. Super easy. Literally anyone can do this. So if you wanna learn, then just, honey, get comfortable and let's get started. All right, you guys, so I'm going to, as you can see, I have my base and I have a little bit of concealer going on, and I want to give my skin a little bit of luminosity, not too much. I'm not trying to go crazy or anything. For that, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I'm using the shade A Glow. So I'm literally going to apply 3 dots right here, as you can see, the highest point of my cheek, and I'm going to blend it out with the actual sponge that comes with the highlighter. And it's gonna give my skin, like I said, luminosity, which is going to make it look very, very fresh. All right, you guys, as you can see, I have a subtle glow. I like it. This is perfect for daylight. I personally don't like anything too crazy during the day, so I feel like, you know, just a little something that makes my skin look very, very fresh and healthy. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna give my skin a little bit of color, not too much. I'm not gonna contour, but just a little bit of warmth. For that, I'm gonna be using the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. This is in the shade South Beach. Okay, and last step, but of course not least, to complete my day look, I'm gonna be using the SOPHIA MABELLE Hydrating Hybrid 2-in-1 Lipstick Balm in the shade Weekend Getaway. And I'm literally just going to dab the product in the center of my lips. All right, you guys, and this is my day look. Something very, very simple. Literally anyone can do this. Plus, it doesn't take too much time. So yeah, we're gonna turn this into the night look right now. All right, you guys, now that I have my day look, it's looking cute, we're gonna turn it into more a nighttime appropriate look. I'm going more for a smoky eye kind of situation, and for that I'm gonna be using the Kat Cosmetics. This is the day and night palette. I really like the color selection, plus it has some really beautiful shimmers and also some very rich mattes. And to create my eye look, I'm gonna be using the Essential Eye Collection from Lavish. As you guys can see, I'm starting in the outer corner and I'm applying the most amount of color there, and I'm literally just going to use this matte brown eyeshadow all over my lid and just blend it out so I can create this smoky eye effect. All right, you guys, so my smoky eye is on. I applied a little bit of Starlight just in the inner corner to bring a little bit of light into my face, and I'm gonna apply also false lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so now I have lashes on. Yes, ma'am. Feeling cute. Feeling very cute. Now I'm going to finish off again with my SOPHIA MABELLE lip balm. This time I will apply like the whole thing just to make it, you know, a little more luscious, a little more. So this is how the color looks like, you guys. I lined my lips with a little bit of a brown lip liner. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I really like that the color is buildable. I'm gonna leave it like this and call it a day. All right, you guys, and this is the final look. I loved how it turned out. Very sultry, very appropriate for nighttime. And remember, this is just an idea. You can always play around with the colors in the palette and perhaps use different shades as well. As always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.